Job. It's about becoming capable of creating a lasting impact. I'm excited to share my journey to Evision Technoserve. After completing my technical course here, I got a job offer with a package of 3 LPA. Currently, I'm working at MICROLAND, Gurgaon. Hi, my name is Rashmi Priya and I'm from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from IES College of Technology, Bhopal in 2022. Coming from the simple background, I always dreamed of building a strong career in IT field. Evision Technoserve gave me that perfect opportunity to make that dream come true. The staff at Evision is extremely supportive and friendly. From the first day, their dedication to every student's success was clear. The teachers are highly experienced and make even tough topic easier to understand. They ensure that every student learn the concept well. No matter their background, I'm truly thankful to Evision Technoserve for their guidance and support. Their structural courses, hands-on training, and the real-world focus helped me to gain the skills I needed. The positive environment and constant encouragement keeps me motivated to my best. For freshers and job seekers, my advice is to trust Evision's process. They provide the right mix of trading, knowledge, practical training, and job opportunities. Enrolling the Evision was one of the best sessions of my life. If you want to save time and effort while building a success career in IT, Evision Technoserve is the perfect choice. I'm proud to be the part of Evision family. Highly recommended it to anyone who is aiming for the bright future. Thank you, Evision Technoserve, for helping me in